This is Thursday night, August 5th. I'm down at the ocean entry at Fox's Landing, and there is a lot of lava flowing into the sea. It's a little calmed down from what it was this morning, but there's a beautiful breakout right there in front of us. And this is high tide. The waves keep trying to put out the lava, and she won't have any of it. I'm expecting, oh, and there's another nice breakout right over there.
Wow.
I'm expecting this one maybe to rise. But right now, this is the one to watch. There's a rock just about to break off right at the ocean. That rock is going to break off. Oh, the waves are getting angry now. Look at that. Look at that. Over the top. Over the top. It won't have any of it.
She'll be back.
It is amazing. The battle, I feel like Howard Cosell.
Oh, look at her. Oh, wow. Ali versus Fraser. No, she's just, wow, it's just pouring.
Look at that, look at that.
Yes.
What a night. What a night. The lava keeps pumping out, the waves keep trying to put her out. But that pressure is going to find a release somewhere.
Trying to freeze it.
See, I think this whole shelf where the crack is in front of us is going to want to lift up. If the pressure at the leading edge keeps getting doused, see, this whole thing right there can lift up and flow. And it's happening up there. See, that's flowing at the top. Amazing night here at the old Fox's Landing.